Right now, we've got Kushagra with us from Somerville School, and I'll be asking some questions from him regarding electric current and its effect. So, Kushagra, beta, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Well, can you tell something about the electric current?
The rate or flow of electric charge is known as electric current. The SI unit of electric current is ampere and is measured using a device called ammeter.
Okay. And what is an electric circuit?
The closed path along which electric current flows is known as electric circuit. If the circuit is incomplete or broken, the current doesn't flow. This type of circuit is known as open circuit. If the circuit is complete, the current flows. This type of circuit is known as closed circuit. The four essential components of an electric circuit are a switch, an electric cell, conducting wires, and an appliance like electric bulb.
Okay. So, whenever the electric current is flowing through any circuit,
Yes, sir.
we have seen that the wire gets heated up a bit.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you know about the heating effect of current?
Yes, sir. When an electric current is passed through a conductor, it generates heat due to the resistance it offers to the current flow. The heat depends on a wire. The heat made by a wire depends on its material, its length, and its thickness. Its material as better conductors produce less heat. Its length as length increases, heat produced decreases. Its thickness as length increases, heat produced decreases.
Okay. So, just now told about the heating effect of current.
Yes, sir.
Do you also know some applications of the heating effect of current?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First application is electric bulb. The coil wire inside the glass case is made up of tungsten. It serves as the filament of the bulb. The electrical energy which is passed through the filament of the bulb converts it into heat and light energy and thus emits light.
Okay. What are electrical fuse and the circuit breakers?
A fuse or a circuit breaker is a safety device which is used to protect the appliances from overload or over circuit.
And what are the causes of the? Sometimes you've seen that the excessive current that flows through a circuit. So, do you know some of its causes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Short circuit can occur due to direct touching of two wires. Sorry. Short circuit can occur due to direct touching of two wires, water seepage inside an electric circuit, overload. Connection of too many sockets at too many appliances at single socket. Answer: excessive current generated from the power source. Every fuse is labeled with the maximum rating, so appropriate fuse should be used according to the appliance. In case the fuse that is used in the appliance is of lower what should I say is of lower capacity, it would result in frequent breaking of the circuit. On the other hand, using a higher capacity fuse may not break in slightly excessive current but may damage the appliance. MCBs, miniature circuit breaker, are switching device which gets shut down when the current exceeds the maximum permissible limit. MCBs MCBs are preferred over fuse because MCB just needs resetting and fuse wire has to be changed after every short circuit.
Very fine. Just now you told about the heating effect of current.
Yes, sir.
So there are some other effects also
Yes, sir.
apart from the heating effect.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is that effect?
Sir, magnetic effect of current.
Okay, tell something about that.
When an electric current is passed through a coil of insulated wire wound around a soft iron rod, it behaves like a magnet.
Okay, what is an electromagnet?
An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced when the current is flowed from the soft coiled wire wound around an iron piece is known as electromagnet.
Okay. So just now you told what an electromagnet is.
Yes, sir.
Now, are there any advantages and disadvantages associated with the electromagnet?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Advantages of electromagnet over permanent magnet are the magnetic field is controllable, switching on and off the circuit. And disadvantage of electromagnet over permanent magnet is that it needs continuous supply of electric current. Examples of electromagnet used in our daily lives are electric bell, hard disk drives, loudspeakers, and motors.
Oh, so now can you tell something about the electric bell?
Yes, sir. Electric bell consists of a iron piece with a which is wounded by a soft iron rod, which is an electromagnet, a gong, a hammer, and a iron strip.
Okay, do you know how it does it work?
Yes, sir. When the switch is pressed on, current flows in the electromagnet. It then pulls the iron strip towards itself, causing the hammer to strike the gong. However, when the electromagnet pulls the iron strip towards itself, it also breaks the circuit. So, after breaking the circuit, it moves back to its original position. When it comes back to its original position, it again touches the contact screw, and again current flows in the electromagnet, and the hammer strikes the gong again.
Very fine.